Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. Today in this session we are gonna explore joins in SQL with a real-time example. Now let's dive in. So first of all, from the previous video we have saw about basic commands, then we have saw about filtering, then aggregations. Now we are gonna create a joins in SQL. For this I'm using a return statement of select employee ID as employee id and e1 name as employee name. So in the table I have created my table name is employee. Also I have inserted some of the values known as id and name. So I am selecting e1 dot id as employee id, e1 dot name as employee name. Next, e2 dot id, here there I have inserted two values, one for Anna and another one for Bala. So employee id to e2 id as employee id and e2 name as employee name. So I hope now you understood why I have written employee 1 and employee 2, because there I am having two IDs, right? Employee 1 and 2. So I am separating like this as employee 1 and employee 2, so that only we can perform joins. So keep in mind that you have to have two tables of not tables. Even if you have one table, you have to separate it like e1 dot 1 e2 dot 2, then only you can perform SQL join. After selecting E1 and E2, you have to select from where you have taken. So from table employee, and I have used the right join. Now you can able to see that here. Next I have created from employee E1. E1 is the table which I have created. Then I have used the join as right join employee E2 on E1 department equal to e2 dot department and e1 dot id less than or greater than e2 dot id semicolon. The same syntax for all, only the changes you have to make is the type of join. For if you want left join means left, right join means right, cross join means cross. Like this you have to change the joins according to your criteria. Also you can able to see the values, output values of the each joins. Here I am having I have got the output value for left join. Here it returns the values from the right side, and if found any match from the right, it returns here. So I have found the null values match. So I have not inserted any data employee to id, so it is returning me as null. I hope now you understood about joins. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you.